guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my journal, which is the horizontal layout in the classic size Happy Planner. This will be for the week of Monday, October 7th through the 13th. We're going to use Hello Pumpkin. These are some previously released decorative fall stickers, and then my newly redesigned matching boxes. So let's see what we can get started here in this spread. I think I'm going to use these girls just right off the bat. So we're going to put her down here and maybe with a little doggy. This is like some kind of doodle. I don't know if it's a golden doodle or a poodle or some kind of oodle. I love these stickers. I love the color scheme in these stickers. Let's see. What else can we do? Let's try to put something up top. Let's put this girl up here. Before we put any boxes down, let's just kind of place the girls around. I'm going to cut her feet flat so they kind of fit on the line here. And I'm going to try not to cover up Monday and Monday's dates. Love it. Okay. And let's see what else we can do. Let's go ahead and lay some boxes down. Oops. So I think we're going to do, let's do this color over here. And we're just going to kind of lay it over top of her. And then maybe a brown. I'm just kind of sporadically laying boxes, and then I'll decorate around the boxes. Okay, I kind of wish that I would have whited out under this box, and I think I'm going to. Still, it's a little bit crooked, and we're just going to white out this darker gray line. Not really whiting out a whole lot of lines, but that dark gray one is going to kind of bother me. It's there too, but I can kind of use it as a guide, maybe for a header for this box. We'll see. Now, let's see what we can do. So we can place these over here. I got sticker pieces falling everywhere off of my scissors. Okay. All right, let's put this, oops. Why don't we actually put it over here on that box? And then I feel like we could take these pumpkins and cut it. Let me get these pieces off my scissors before we have a disaster. I think we can just lay this on top of that box. See what it's going to look like. Perfect. It's a little bit over the edge of that box, but it's okay. All right, and now let's see. Why don't we put a quote? Where are, let's do Fall Vibes. Like right here. And then I have this really cute plaid washi. This was some that I think that I had previously listed in my shop. I don't have it anymore, and I cannot find it, but I have said before, if you will just kind of look on Amazon, Amazon has really upped their washi collections. So just kind of check washi for fall colored plaid washi and whatnot. See if you can find some. This is really cute. I feel like I want to put a little bit up top there too. Just a little bit. Oops. I'm trying to salvage as much of it as I can because I don't have much left. maybe like that. Love it. Love, love, love it. Okay. Trim this here. And then I've got this brown, and it's got some gold in it. I don't know that I'm going to use it, to be honest, though. Let's just hold off on using it. I like the plaid. So let's go to the other side now and see what's going on over here. I want to use this really long box, and I think I'm going to use it kind of down here. And let's go, oops, there. Just whiting out these darker lines just so that they don't bother me when I'm trying to write in this box. Okay, so let's take an orange and a brown. And I think we'll maybe put the brown here and maybe the orange over here. This orange it really blends in a lot. I don't know that I'm going to use that orange. Just hold that thought. Okay, I think I want to take this and cut it flat and put it on top of that box. Just like that. Get these pieces off my scissors. And then what else can we do? I think we're going to take a little planner and put down here at the bottom. I know the planner is almost as big as the dog, but we're not going to worry about proportion here. We're just, it's sticker land, you know, it's our planner. And let's see. Oh, I think I will use this sticker up top. I just had an idea. So let's put this sticker up top. And then white out the color behind it. And then let's take the Hello Fall and come off of it. I think that would be really cute. But let's lift it up just a little bit. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that. Okay. And then we could take a little bow. Nope, let's take these. Uh-oh, I ripped it a little bit. The pen and the washi. And just kind of go there. Maybe the little bow down here at the bottom. I would say I'm going to try to use this whole sticker sheet, but I don't think that's going to be possible. Look how pretty it is already, though. We can definitely take a bow and put up top here. I love this. It's so pretty. I think we're going to take another planner. And I think we're going to kind of cut it to maybe go this way. Okay. Love it. What else do we have? I really want to cut this off. Or maybe I could lift this box up. I don't like the way all my other stickers are like under my boxes. And then this one, the edge of the stickers is just kind of sitting on top. That makes me feel better. So let's just take some washi now and go on this side. And so what I think I'm going to do is come here. Cut that there. And then let's take the edge off of this. And let's do a little bit maybe here. Alright, let's cut this edge off. Not really crazy about how that looks. I think I'm going to try to tear it a little bit better. There we go. That looks better. Look how pretty this is, y'all. I'm excited to write in this one too. So, I think I'm finished with this one. Let's put it back in my planner. So I didn't use the brown washi, but I did use this really cute plaid washi that matches perfectly. Let's see what it looks like in my planner. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. I am not as active on Instagram as I am on YouTube, but I am over there sometimes. So that is it for this video. If you're interested in getting these stickers, they are 50% off in my shop at pleasantlyplanned.com. These are called Hello Pumpkin. So that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.